Hello kids, let's learn how to draw a carrot. Let's get started. First we will draw our carrot leaves. Draw with me kids. Great! Now I'm going to add some detailings. Nice! Our picture is ready. Great! Our picture is ready. It's coloring time now. Let's color our picture. For our carrot, I'm going to choose orange color. For our leaves, I'm going to choose green color. Light green color. Now I'm going to add some detailings. Great! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe.